In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pet Shopify website. If you've been considering setting up an online store dedicated to all things pets, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process of creating a Shopify site that's not only functional, but also visually appealing to pet lovers everywhere. To get started, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and find yourself at the Shopify homepage. This is your command center, where you can manage all aspects of your online store. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation bar. From here, you'll want to click on Online Store. This section is crucial as it holds all the customization options for your website's layout and design. Once you've clicked on Online Store, now it's time to explore themes. Themes are pre-designed templates that set the tone and style for your website. To do this, look for the Visit Theme Store option. It's an excellent place to start because Shopify offers a wide range of themes specifically designed to cater to different industries, including the pet industry. In the theme store, you'll notice a search icon located at the top right corner. Click on it and type in the word pet. This will filter the results to show themes that are most suitable for pet-related businesses. When choosing the theme, consider the type of products you'll offer and the overall vibe you want your website to convey. It's all about creating an environment where your customers feel engaged and excited about their shopping experience. After you've typed pet into the search, browse through the options that appear. Take your time to explore each theme. Shopify provides both free and premium themes, so you can choose one that fits your budget. Look for a design that's clean, easy to navigate, and visually appealing. You want your customers to feel at ease when browsing through your products, whether they're looking for pet food, toys, or accessories. Once you've selected a theme that you love, you can start customizing it to fit your brand. This includes adding your logo, setting up your color scheme, and organizing your products into collections. Remember, the goal is to make it as easy as possible for customers to find what they're looking for. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a beautiful and functional pet Shopify website. It's all about making sure your online store reflects the passion you have for pets and provides a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Keep in mind that as your business grows, you can always revisit and refine your website to better meet the needs of your audience. Happy building!